Welcome to Learn to Live. In this video, we'll be discussing about agreement. Agreement. Section 2 Clause E of the Contract Act states that every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. An agreement is a promise or a set of promises. It is the result of offer and acceptance. In other words, an agreement is formed where one party makes a proposal and the other to accept the proposal. The person making the proposal is called the promisor and the person accepting the proposal is called the promisee. Between the promisor and promisee, there arises a process of mutual negotiations through the agreement. Agreement is offer plus acceptance. Essentials of a valid agreement. 1. There must be at least two parties. 2. The agreement must relate to definite act or acts. 3. It must relate to legal matters but not to social matters. 4. The parties to it must have identity of mind. 5. The parties must communicate with each other. Types of agreement. 1. Agreement which destroy rights and obligations like release or surrender. 2. Agreements which transfer rights from one party to another. 3. Agreements which relate to social, religious, and moral matters. 4. Agreement which create legal rights and obligations. All agreements are not contracts, but all contracts are agreements. Examples of agreements which are not contracts. 1. An agreement to kill a person is not a contract, as an agreement to do illegal act is not enforceable by law. 2. An agreement to come to dine is not a contract, as it cannot be enforceable by law because the agreement depends upon the violation. 3. A contract for the purpose of another contract cannot be enforceable and hence not a contract. All agreements enforceable by law are contracts and valid, but all agreements are not enforceable by law and therefore all agreements are not contracts. Students, this is the end of the section. Please share, like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you press the bell icon for latest updates.